Hello everyone, welcome to Dev Domain. In today's video, we are going to see some exciting job updates, and all the links will be in the description. So if you want to apply any particular job, so I'll provide the link in the description. From there, you can apply for that job. So first hiring is conducted by the FNP, and they're hiring as product management intern, and the location in which they're hiring is Gurgaon, India, and the duration for this internship will be 3 to 4 months. The skills are required for the job will be strong with Excel sheets like pivot and large data, curious about system, user behavior and automation, clear communicator with high use empathy, interest in building products that solve real world problems. So if you have these kind of skill set, then you can apply for the job. So this is the mail ID, and where you can share your resume or your CV or your cover letter. Share to this, and if you get shortlisted, then you will go to your further details. So next hiring is conducted by the TCS, and it will be the walk-in drive in Bhopal, and the date on which they are hiring is Friday 20 Feb. So recently graduates can be apply for the job, like 2023, 2024 and 2025 graduates can be apply for the job, and this is the venue, and the timing will be 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Who are eligible for this role is BCom, BA, BBA, BBM, BMS, BAF, BBI and BSc, including CS and IT, post graduations such as MCom and MA. Then 0 to 6 months of experience can be applied for the job. That means freshers also apply for the job. And important, your highest qualification must be completed. No pursuing students can be applied for the job. So while going to the walk-in drive, you have to carry this kind of documents. So updated resume, original and scanned copies of academic documents, government ID proof such as Aadhaar card or voter card. Then you have to fill the TCS form. Then the selection process will be, first will be the aptitude test and second will be the interview. So these kind of things are going to be there. So if you live near Bhopal, so try to attend this drive. So next hiring is conducted by the Zensar, and they're hiring as Gen AI annotations, labeling or prompt. So they are hiring for basically prompt engineering. So 3 to 6 LPA you can get based upon your evaluation, and the selections will be in your specific project. So who can apply for the job? Bachelor's degree or a master's degree in a specific discipline, strong written and verbal communication skill, willingness to learn and adapt new technologies, ability to work independently and in a team environment. So these kind of skill set you must have. And if you are completed your degree or your master's degree, then you can apply for the job. So fill this form. If you get shortlisted, then you will get the further details. So next hiring is conducted by the Tech Mahindra, and they're hiring as associate analyst, and the location in which they're hiring is Noida and Hyderabad. 0 to 1 years of experience can be applied for the job. That means freshers also apply for the job. The job highlights will be, as I already said, 0 to 6 months of experience can be applied for the job. The candidate must be good in communication skills, attention to the detail, and proficiency in MS Excel, verify and monitor responses, maintain data security, assist teams, and generate performance reports. Two-way transportation is provided by the company itself. Okay, so these kind of skill set you must have, and this kind of company that providing the facility to you, so apply for this job. So this is all about this video. So thank you for watching this video.